So today we are in Bhuvaneshwar house. My grandmother is also living with me, and my mother is also. So do you know why I'm wearing like this fancy dress? Did you ever see that I am wearing this fancy dress on YouTube? Maybe not. Maybe not. So today I'm going to my Mossy's house and my auntie's house at the same time. So I went to Kakatpur market and I got cool things. One Rubik's cube, which is big one, and one is small one. I can't fix the small Rubik's cube. I just play with it like this. Okay, just leave that. So today I'm going to show you a trick with this Rubik's cube. All the sides are same because it's a new one. So I'm going to pick my favorite color. I'm going to close my eyes. I'm going to show the color to you. Close the eyes and jumble it like this. Yeah. Which color does it land on? Oh, it's a blue color. It's a blue color. It's blue color. So you can pick this side or this side. Any two sides. I picked this side, but not you have to not pick the middle side. I pick this side. I keep this back. I keep this down. So it should be like that. The which color I picked? Yeah, blue. This doesn't match with this. But all the things should be, all the three like this should be different places. So by the way, you can see these four sides are all same, but all different, but these two sides are not different. So see, I'm going to show you a trick with this also. See, this is like this, okay? So you can pick this or this side, the same thing. So I take this down. It's down, again back. I take this back. See, it's all jumbled. It's all jumbled. The cube is all jumbled. The different sides. So remember, now I'll tell you how to solve it. This was how to jumble it, and now I'm going to show you how to solve it. Solve. Remember that I jumbled the both side was red and yellow. Red and orange. So I jumbled those both. So I have to pick any one of those both colors. Let me see. I'll pick this. Forward. Let me see. So this orange. I picked orange. So after the line of this, all sides should be orange. There's one orange over here. I keep the orange over here. Orange. This middle one is red. Keep the orange back. Orange. Yeah. Wait, this is magic. Where did this go? Oh, it's at the back. Okay. I am gonna keep this. Wait, what? I'm gonna keep this orange over here. See, now these both sides are again fixed. Now see this. This is all three. So take this side. Take this. Do it like this. So this. I'm gonna fix it with green. This middle one. I'm gonna fix it with green. Wait, where did it go again? Okay, the green is over here. I'm gonna fix this with another green. There! The Rubik's Cube is solved. I hope you like this Rubik's Cube. Solved! I hope you like this Rubik's Cube solving. If you did, smash down the like button. And I'm gonna see you when we go to Bangalore. Bye. Peace.